Record Show. Today is Tuesday, November 15th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 48 degrees and a low of 37 degrees.
It's getting cold.
It's always cold. When is it going to snow?
I have no idea.
Today's lunch options are pizza sticks or wraps.
Oh yeah, wraps. I love wraps. This week is College and Career Week. Did you know there are over 38 colleges in the Dallas-Fort Worth area? Your teachers have gone to some of them. University of Texas, at Dallas, Texas A&M, Commerce, Texas Women's University, and Texas Christian University. Tomorrow, wear your pajamas. Make sure they're appropriate.
Gigamaggies.
Yeah, Gigamaggies.
Today in history, in 1926, the NBC radio network opened with 24 stations.
24?
It's almost 25.
Wow. Now here's Eli for Weird But True.
I know him.
Babies are young as 17 days old can laugh.
Wow, that's
pretty crazy.
So cute, I can't. A new record for the world's oldest dog living has been officially confirmed in Florida. Born on January 9th, 2001. Meet 21-year-old Chihuahua Toby Keith. I was a volunteer at Peggy Adams Animal Rescue, and one of the employees told me about an elderly couple trying to surrender a puppy because they could not take care of him any longer. Gisela told Guinness World Records, I met with the elderly couple and I was introduced to a tiny tan Chihuahua. They had named him Peanut Butter. I later changed his name to Toby Keith.
Wow.
Now here's Josiah for Bet You Didn't Know.
Ooh, yeah.
A hippo's lips are nearly 2 feet wide.
Wow, that's crazy.
So weird.
Now he's Carter for the joke of the day.
I'm the third person to come on today. Hey guys, what do you call a snowman's dog?
I have
no idea.
Well, first off, a dog, and second off, a slush puppy.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Evan.
And I'm Everett.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.